Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious collard greens without any meat. First, gather your fresh collard greens and other plant-based ingredients. We'll focus on creating rich, savory flavors using aromatic vegetables and a flavorful broth. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a tender and satisfying dish that's perfect as a side or a main course. Get ready to enjoy a classic with a healthy twist. To begin, select about 2 pounds of vibrant, fresh collard greens. Thoroughly wash them, then remove the tough stems and chop the leaves into bite-sized pieces. Next, finely dice 1 large onion and mince 3 cloves of garlic. These aromatics are crucial for building a robust flavor base. Also, measure out 4 cups of vegetable broth and 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, which will provide the essential liquid for cooking. Start by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add the diced onion and minced garlic, cooking until they are fragrant and translucent, which takes about 5 minutes. Next, add the chopped collard greens to the pot, stirring until they begin to wilt. Pour in the vegetable broth and apple cider vinegar, then season with smoked paprika and red pepper flakes. Bring to a simmer, then cover and cook for 45 to 60 minutes, or until the greens are very tender. Once your collard greens are perfectly tender, they are ready to be enjoyed. Serve them warm as a hearty and delicious side dish. For an extra kick, consider adding a dash of your favorite hot sauce or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for brightness. They pair wonderfully with cornbread, rice, or any of your preferred main courses. Leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, making them great for meal prep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.